This is a 46-foot Silverton, 1990, 3 stateroom, 671 diesel engines, Onan generator, air conditioning. What makes these boats so popular is the huge beam. I believe she's 16'3" beam, and that gives you a huge interior. Aft deck enclosed, the hard top, and got a wet bar. Walk around deck. A few steps up to the fly bridge. It's a single steering station up here. By not having the lower steering station, you've got a much bigger salon. These boats are real popular for liveaboards because of all the interior space and the hard top over the aft deck. This boat has a washer dryer. Really nice interior. Sectional sofa to port, ice maker, another wet bar, and a few steps down you got the dinette to starboard and the galley to port. So trash compactor, microwave. Forward, you have a guest stateroom, which is used for storage, and then a full queen walk-around bed up here in the bow, with two doors to the head and shower. If you like this boat, give Tom Tknoedler a call. Cell number is 443-880-2765. A really nice motor yacht at a reasonable price. Thank you.